Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I am glad you guys are here. I want to thank all the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank just anybody who's coming through to check out the EDC and knife content. If you like it, if it's something you're interested in, if you'll hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it'll not only help the channel out, but it'll notify you when I release new content, like unboxings that I like to release when they come in. So this is an interesting story. This is a knife that I have been waiting to come out. And I saw that it was live through an Instagram post, and I bought it from the manufacturer's website. Took about, I don't know, 7-8 days to get here. The next day it was available at all of the places that I normally shop. So that was a little disappointing, but the good news is I'd planned on getting in using my little Amazon razor knife with the fresh razor. But I planned on checking this knife out. Again, a huge risk from what I normally get into. But when I see something interesting, when I see something cool, I definitely want to try it out. And this is going to be the Kizer Mercury. This is a knife that kind of when Maddie did his design, there's another gentleman, Alex Berkowitz, I think, who designed this little knife that, again, is not only a departure from what I would normally get, but it's a departure from what Kizer normally makes. 3.26 Mercury, blah blah blah, S35 VN blade, titanium handle, steel liner. Alright, let's see if I can remember how to get these guys open. Got the Kizer swag. Drop bear sticker, even though I don't have a drop bear. Looks like extra pre-Loctited hardware. Little Kizer pouch. And this little wicked gentleman's cleaver. They call it a sheep's foot. Call it a razor. Call it what you will. I found it very interesting. Alex, after Lefty EDC got it in, he actually had Alex on his, I think it was Lefty Live one Thursday night, to talk about this little knife because he was so impressed with it. And what I found interesting about it is Alex has access to a machine shop, and he had actually built a prototype of this knife, and then Kizer partnered with him and just dialed it in. Off the bat, if there was anything I could change, and I'm sure if I would waited a year or so, there would be. I'm not a fan of the gold finish or the copper finish or the bronze finish. It's a titanium knife. I would love to see it in raw or black or something. But anyway, I'm not going to let that get to me because it's such a minimalistic little knife. Again, this is just an unboxing. But you've got this tall belt satin hollow ground razor style blade with a very generous sharpening choil, a full grip on my handle. Let's get a little bit of paper. And guys, what I will do is I will carry this, use it, and try to get at least a detailed overview of it up. Since this is really just an unboxing. But Berkowitz is the maker's mark on the blade, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's what that says. And then Kizer. And then you've got this little minimalistic flipper tab. You've got this really nice milling and deep weight relief in these liners, these titanium liners. You've got this steel lock bar insert. dead nut centered, very low profile knife. Literally probably one of the thinnest knives. It kind of reminds me of a, what's that knife? The dragon or something that's got a big swoopy blade with holes in it. It looks like one of those with an eating disorder. But yeah, just a very flippy knife. Again, a flipper only. Not my normal jam. I'm always a front flipper guy. But lately I've taken a chance on several flipper only knives. And I haven't had a regret on one of them yet. So maybe I'm kind of evolving back into not being a middle finger flick snob. But I did buy this with my own money on Kizer's website. It was 139 bucks. I don't remember if White Mountain, because they had them and sold out, if they had it for 139 or a little less, since it's usually a little less or the same as the manufacturer's site. And then, of course, you can use Javon 10s to save 10% at White Mountain. They might have these back in stock. I will link it to the Kizer website. That's where I got it. And then if I see it at White Mountain Knives, I'll throw a link down there. Won't be an affiliate link. It'll just be a link to this knife. And if you want to buy it and use one of your creator codes like Javon 10s to save, 10%, you can do that. But what I wanted to do is just unbox it. I've been waiting for it. I'm stoked it's here. I look forward to throwing it in my pocket and experiencing it for a while, and hopefully getting back to you guys in a day or two with a more detailed overview with some dimensions, some weights, some size comparisons, and things like that. But that is the Kizer Mercury, brand new release from Kizer, an Alex Berkowitz collaboration. It was on Kizer's website for 139 bucks when I bought it. S35VN, titanium, small little gentleman's package, has a nice milled clip, goes in and out of the pocket just fine, doesn't tear up the pocket, that milling's thin enough. But yeah guys, it's just a really cool knife. I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you checking out any of my content. All I ask is please, please, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.